There's a bird with feathers so bright, so dry. He talks all day and sings at night, night, night. His beak opens wide, oh what a show. The cheerful parrot says hello. Hello, hello. He squawks with glee, mimicking words as fun as can be. Up in the tree or down below, the silly parrot says hello. He flaps his wings and